Good morning, my dear students of class 3. This is your ma'am S.T. Joshi, and I am here to teach you English literature. Students, we were doing the lesson Book, Ink, and Feather. And do you remember? I'm sure you do remember the book, the ink, and the feather. The book was beautiful from the outside, but it had nothing written on its inside. It had an impressive cover, but the book was blank. People would come and take the book in their hands and open the book, but finding no nothing written inside it, they would throw it away. And then the ink pot, it was forgotten by its owner, and it was left for years and years in some corner. And then there was an entry of a feather, okay, and the feather had flown down from the sky, and it was a swan's feather, and the three of them met each other and they swapped stories about their bad luck, and there was all crying and weeping and murmuring and grumbling and discussion that how bad their life has been. Now today we will do the next part of the lesson, that is on page number 61, and I will read it to you and explain it to you. However, unlike his companions, the feather soon got tired of crying and resolved to improve the situation. Drying his tears and leaving his complaints behind, he clearly saw how the three of them working together could get out of their suffering. Okay, now here the feather is tired of crying and murmuring and grumbling. He is not happy anymore. He has had enough of crying, enough of self pity, अपने ऊपर तरस खाना, oh मेरी किस्मत कितनी ख़राब है. And all of them were saying the same thing. Such a bad luck I have. The book said the same thing, the ink pot said the same thing, and the feather also started saying the same thing when it fell down among the two. But now here the feather is tired, okay, he's fed up, he has got bored. So like his companions, what do you mean by companions? Companions means friends, okay. He, unlike his friends, he has got tired, and now he wants to resolve to improve the situation. What do you mean by resolved? Resolved means made a decision. Now the feather has made a decision to improve the situation, and he has decided no more complaints, no more murmuring and grumbling and crying and weeping and feeling sad for their bad luck. Now the feather has decided that he has to do something, and they all three of them have to work together to get out something good, okay, out of the suffering. What do you mean by suffering? Pain. And now let's read the second paragraph. The feather, okay, he convinced, who is he here? The feather. He convinced his friends to write a story. The storybook opened up his best pages. The ink pot didn't spill even a drop, and the feather wrote in a beautiful writing. Together, they managed to write a lovely story about three friends who helped each other to improve their lives. Now, what did the feather do? He convinced, he made others agree to something. He made, what do you mean by convinced? To make someone agree, okay? When you ask your parents for something, for a new dress or something, and they don't want to buy you something new, okay, they don't agree with you, but somehow you convince them, somehow you make them to buy a dress for you. इट आप किसी तरीके से अपने पेरेंट्स को मना लेते हैं, ओके. कन्विंस्ड मीन्स टू मेक समवन अग्री, और या किसी को मना लेना. सो इन द सेम वे द फेदर ऑल्सो कन्विंस्ड द इंक पॉट एंड द बुक, द एम्प्टी बुक, टू डू समथिंग. And what was it? To write a story. Yes, wow. Now the and what and they started to write the story. The storybook opened up its best pages. The storybook opened its best pages. The ink pot didn't spill, and the pot was also ready to be used, and it did not spill. What do you mean by spill? To drop or scatter by accident. Spill means to drop or scatter by accident. Okay, it did not spill. कि इधर उधर उसका जो इंक था वो टपका नहीं. ओके, इवन अ ड्रॉप. ओके, and the feather wrote in a beautiful handwriting, and the feather wrote in a beautiful handwriting. Do you know what feathers were used for in the past? Yes, they were used for writing. Like today we use pen to write, but in the olden times, in the ancient times, people used feathers to write. They would use they would take the feather, dip it in the ink and write. So in the same way, the three of them began to write a new story, a beautiful story. Together they managed to write a lovely story about three friends. And what story did they write? They were able to write a story about three friends who helped each other to improve their lives. Okay, what was the story? About three friends who helped each other. एक दूसरे की हेल्प करी to improve their lives, so that their lives would become better. अपनी lives को improve करने के लिए, अच्छा करने के लिए तीनों friends ने एक दूसरे की हेल्प करी. Now let's see what happened. Then a young teacher passed by, head down and looking sad, wondering how he would keep his pupils' attention. He found the storybook, the ink pot, and the feather. The teacher read the book and found the story very good. He picked up the storybook, ink pot, and the feather and continued on his way to school. Now, what happened here? When the ink pot, the storybook, and the feather had finished writing the story, just then a teacher passed by, head down and looking sad. What do you mean by head down and looking sad? The teacher was unhappy. He was not happy. He was very sad, and he had his head down. When you are sad, you put your head down, na? When you are sad. So the teacher was also very sad. And why was he sad? What was the reason behind his sadness? Because he was wondering how to keep his pupils' attention. What do you mean by pupil? Pupil means students. The teacher was sad because he was not able to get the attention of his students. Maybe while teaching them, the students might be looking here and there, looking at the fan, looking outside the window, talking to each other, but not listening to the teacher. And the teacher was upset about it, what to do so that he could get the attention of his students. Now what did he do? He found the storybook, the ink pot, and the feather. He picked it up. He picked up the storybook. He opened the book and he read, and he read that beautiful, lovely story about the three friends who helped each other to improve their lives. And he loved the story, and he took the book, the ink pot, and the feather along with him to the school. He took the three of them with him to the school. Now what happened? Let's see. When the lesson began, he told the story to his pupils, and they were all attentive and interested. And he told the same story which he had read in the book to his students, to his pupils, and they all were very attentive. What do you mean by attentive? Listening with great interest. Listening with great interest. The students, his pupils, were very attentive. They were glued towards him. They were very attentive and listening, and they were very interested in the story. It means that the students also liked the story that the teacher had told them about the book, the ink pot, and the feather, who had helped each other. Okay, and now we will read the last paragraph. Every night from then on, the feather, the ink pot, and the storybook got together and wrote a new story for the young teacher. Now, what happened every night? after this incident took place, that when the teacher told the story to the students about the three friends helping each other, after that every night the book, the inkpot, and the feather got together and wrote a beautiful story for the teacher, for the young teacher, so that he could tell that story to his pupils, to his students in his class. And how did they feel after doing this? They felt very happy and proud. The book, the inkpot, the feather were very happy that they could do something good, that they could help the young teacher. Thanks to their hard work and cooperation. The last line is thanks to their hard work and cooperation. What do you mean by cooperation? Working together for the same thing. Working together for the same thing. Okay, cooperation means you have to, if some task has been given to you and you work together. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपको अगर कोई काम दिया गया हो तो आप झगड़े, आप कहें नहीं जी मैं तो ये काम नहीं करूँगी, नो नो नो, आई विल नॉट डू दिस वर्क, शी विल डू दिस वर्क, आई कांट डू. इफ़ योर टीचर टेल्स यू okay, you have to clean the class. Okay, for example, your teacher tells you you have to clean the class and you say no ma'am, I'm not going to do this, she will do this. So this is not cooperating. आप cooperate नहीं कर रहे हैं. But what do you mean by cooperation? When you're working together to do something. But now when the teacher asks you, you have to clean the class, and all of you agree and say yes ma'am, we will do it, and you do it very nicely, and whatever work has been given to you, you do it. So children, this is what happened at the end of the story. The inkpot, the book, and the feather were happy and proud because they could do something good. They just did not keep on being sad and telling their sad stories and feeling sad over their bad luck. Okay, but they did something good. So in your life also, children, remember one thing: if something has happened which is not according to what you wanted to happen, don't just keep thinking about it. Don't just keep thinking about your past, but do something. Okay, move on. Stop looking behind and move on, and don't be sad about what bad has happened, and do something so that you can do something good, help others, and make yourself happy and others happy. Okay children, now this was the story. Now in the next class, I will be sending you the question and answers and the word meanings and the exercises. Now read this lesson, okay, from starting to the end. Read the lesson from the starting to the end and listen to both the videos. Okay children, God bless you and take care.